Be ready to type the answer. UNO was established in the year. Akshay, do you remember? Yes, please start typing the answer. UNO was established in the year. 1945. Yes, option A. Option A. The correct answer is October 24th, 1945. Rashmi and Bhuvana have answered. Others, what others are doing? Many of them answered. Many of them have answered. Okay, good. Then let us go for second one. Second one is it acts like a global parliament to discuss world issues. Acts like global parliament. Yes, it is. Yes, the correct answer is yes. You are sending the answer option A. Option A. What about others? Global Parliament. Yes, it acts like global parliament. It is General Assembly. Okay. Then next one. It acts or which of the following country is not permanent member? Akshay. Which among the following is not permanent member? Shanvi says that it is A. France is not permanent member. Others, please. Akshay and Shanvi are saying that it is A. Yes, correct answer is? Yes, the correct answer is definitely South America because see, United States of America, United Kingdom, France, Russia and China are the permanent members of Security Council. South America is not the permanent member. Then next question, it aims to improve the science education culture. Science education culture. Yes. Start typing the answer in the chat box, please. Option A, UNICEF. Akshay says that it is UNICEF. Others, Sumukh. Option A, Charan. Option A. Is it option A? Sumukh Hegde. Sumukh. May I speak to you, Sumukh?
Hello.
Huh, Sumukh. What's your answer for this? Is it
UNESCO.
UNESCO is the correct answer. Why you have typed answer as option A?
Option A is there is UNESCO.
Okay, sorry. Option A is UNESCO, correct. UNESCO is United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization. UNICEF is not the correct one. Next one, from 100, it was founded on January 1st, 90. It received Nobel Award in the year 1965. Which special organ of UNO received Nobel Prize in the year 1965? Yes, it is option A. Again, option A is the correct answer. UNICEF, Alva. United Nations International Children's Emergency Fund is the correct answer. UNICEF is the correct answer. Then, next one. It was founded on January 1st, 1995, according to General Agreement on Trade and Tariff. 1995. What is the correct answer here? Only organ of UNO which was established after such a long period. All the others came into existence before 1960-1965. The correct answer is World Trade Organization, WTO is the correct answer. Okay. Next, it is called the third pillar of financial pillar of the world. Third pillar. Next question is, it was founded in 1946 for the benefit of the children and women. Children and women, definitely. Akshay? The correct answer is UNICEF. Okay? UNICEF, again United Nations International Children's Emergency Fund it is. Next, after that, next one is the UN Secretary General's head office is located at. Secretary General's head office? Yes. Will you type the answer? Where is the head office of UN Secretary General? Geneva, Switzerland is not the correct answer. Vaishnavi G. Bhuvana, option A. What about others, Akshay? Have they answered? Only two.
Many of the option in New York.
Option A, New York is the correct answer. Okay. Next, after that, veto power can be exercised by who can use veto power? Yes, the correct answer is the permanent members of Security Council can use veto power. Again, option A is correct answer. On June 28, 1945, 51 nations of the Conference of UNO, they met in New York, Rome, England, San Francisco. 1945, June 26th. They met in San Francisco. Alva. In San Francisco, they met June 26th and they signed a treaty. Then, the word United Nations was proposed by. Who proposed the word United Nations? Who proposed the word United Nations? What are they typing? What are they typing?
Typing option A, Roosevelt.
Yes, option A, Roosevelt is the correct answer. Okay. So he was the President of United States of America. Okay. Next. After that, next one is Human Rights Declaration was held in the year. Human Rights Declaration was held in the year December 10th, 19. Have they typed the answer?
Yes,
Yes, what have they typed?
1948.
Yes, in the year 1948 on December 10th. That is the correct answer. Then, next one, it selects the judges of International Court of Justice and nominates a Secretary General. This organ selects. Yes, who will tell me the answer?
Secretary.
Yes, definitely it is
Secretary.
not Secretary Council, it is Security Council. Okay. Secretary General is nominated by this organ, as well as the judges of International Court of Justice are also selected by the Security Council. Is the correct answer. Have they written Security Council as the answer in the chat box?
Yes.
Okay, good. Then after that, next one, total members of UN. How many members are there? 193 is the correct answer. Okay, next. Next question is, it fights against poverty, malnutrition and hunger. Its head office is located in Rome. Rome. Yes, the correct answer is FAO. Yes. Next. After this, International Court of Justice is located in. Yes. Akshay, do you remember? Akshay has forgotten, huh? What have they typed?
Let's see. Option B.
Option B,
Yeah.
Hague. It is Hague. It is called Hague. It is located in Netherlands. Netherlands is also called Holland. Then, next one, FAO's head office is, just now I have told, no? AO's head office is located in. Yes, the correct answer is Rome. It fights against poverty, malnutrition and hunger. Its head office is located at Rome. Next, after that, next one is children. WHO's head office is located at. WHO's head office is located at. It's not located in Paris. Geneva of Switzerland. Three important organizations, they have got their head office in Geneva, WHO, WTO, and also your International Labour Organization, ILO. Okay. Then, Next question. IBRD's head office. Where is IBRD's head office located? International Bank for Reconstruction and Development. Yes, it is located in Washington, D.C. It is not located in Paris, in India, in New York. Next, third important pillar of the world trade. Just now I have told, no, it was established in the year 1995. Its head office is located in Geneva. WTO is the correct answer. Yes. So, international institutions lesson in this PDF, it is over. Yes, next. Over. Okay. So, children, let us continue in our tomorrow's period. Soumya Mataji will take class at 12 o'clock. So, be ready exactly at 12. She will come and she will join you. Okay? Yes. Thank you very much. Keep reading. Do not neglect the things. Monday onwards, it is planned that you will have an exam here in the school. Okay? It is planned like that. By today evening, I will send you the timetable. Yeah. Thank you.